to buy something from Amazon and many shopping sites, but these websites could not ship to my country. Okay, that website doesn't ship to your country. Well, you get very disappointed, and still you got for a low quality product which can be shipped to your country. So let's do this. All you need to do is to go for a third-party application, and these are guys can ship to your country and they are legit. We are talking about DHL here. So what I use to do is to just go to DHL. I go to DHL and well, all you need to do here is to open your DHL APK. That is DHL Africa. Don't mind about the name because I'm going to put the link in the description. Now you select the language which you want. After selecting the language which you want, you select next. Now this takes kind of shorter time, so you just scroll through this one and don't show this try again. But if you want, you can again show these things show you that you don't need to sign in into Amazon. You don't need an Amazon account. All you need to do is to open this APK and everything will be done. So thanks you for downloading. Shop UK stores and transfer items to eShop. This is what we're gonna do, and this is what I'm gonna show you. Okay, so with this you can shop with PayPal, MasterCard, and then the rest. Okay, now they'll bring you lots of items. Now the first thing they'll detect is your country. So if I thought they don't detect your country, it's very easy. You just click deliver to my country and then you select the African country where you are. So my country, by default, this device will show you Uganda. Don't mind about that. So there are lots of products. You can select a few of these. If I told you want to shop something that is from the tech world, or like tech, you can, that is Androids and TV. So they'll bring you the specific things which you want here, but the best way is to select all stores. Now they'll bring all stores that they are in their on their platform, that they are able to buy from. They will help you to get that product from. Now the other thing you can do is to just open the APK and then you select all stores. Well, if you wanted to buy something in any of these stores and they told you that website can't deliver to your country, well, this is the best solution I'm showing you here. So now what we need to do here is to just select the application which you want and the website. Which website should I select? Probably for this I focus more majorly on Amazon, so I'm going to select which Amazon USA. You can read through all that and you just select okay. Now we are here on Amazon. Now let me see, like I want this product. Which product here should I select? Don't change. Okay, let me see. I want to buy any product I want, but probably I always want Amazon products. Okay, let me see. I would like maybe light ring, video recording, light ring. These ones. Okay, for Amazon. Well, if you can donate these stuffs to this channel, we'll be glad to. So I'm going to select this item, accessories. And then I select this one. After adding your product, you select proceed to checkout. So this pop-up will come, and then you select checkout. Now I have these products, I have put this product, so it doesn't mind whether this item will be shipped to my country or not. No, I can even add the quantity which I want. Okay, now I proceed to checkout. Now delivery door to door, that is the best. And then shipping address, you can add your address. Okay, and then you can select this one, the top icon, then review purchase. Then they will give you the total bill which you need to pay here. Okay, then this rate, this stuffs includes all each and everything included. So all you need to do is to select payment. So you select the method of payment. There is PayPal, there is mobile bank payment, there is Visa card, there is wallet balance. Okay, so probably you might want PayPal, so you just pay with PayPal. If you want, if you have a promo code, you can just type the code is DHL. Okay, I'll give you a promo code in the description as well. If you would like to insure your item, you can insure it.